Farm animals. Today, you'll get to pick which animal you'd rather have on your farm. Then, do the matching exercise. Let's go! Would you rather have some Highland cows or some Charolais cows? If you said Highland cows, stretch your arms. If you said Charolais, do some elbow to knees. Would you rather have some Muscovy ducks or some Pekin ducks? If you said Muscovy ducks, balance on one foot. If you said Pekin ducks, do some leg jacks. Would you rather have some Valais sheep or some Hebridean sheep? If you said Valais, do the arm wiggle. If you said Hebridean, do the around the world. Would you rather have some Kune pigs or some guinea hogs? If you said Kune, do the star pose. If you said guinea hogs, do the snap dance. Would you rather have some Sultan chickens or some Rhode Island Reds? If you said Sultan chickens, do the hula hoop. If you said Rhode Island Reds, do some knees. Would you rather have some black Bengal goats or some Angora goats? If you said black Bengals, do some knee taps. If you said Angora goats, jog. Would you rather have some Shire horses or some paint horses? If you said Shire horses, do some jumping jacks. If you said paint horses, do some lunges. Would you rather have some Flemish giants or some Californian rabbits? If you said Flemish giants, stretch your triceps. If you said Californian rabbits, do some arm presses. Would you rather have a Border Collie or an Anatolian Shepherd? If you said Border Collie, do some bounces. If you said Anatolian Shepherd, do the warrior pose. Would you rather have a York chocolate cat or a tabby cat? If you said York chocolate cat, do the wide arm hand jive. If you said tabby cat, do some giant arm circles. Would you rather have alpacas on your farm or llamas? If you said alpacas, touch your toes. If you said llamas, do the claw. If you enjoyed this video, hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget, movement is a must.